What if a non-engineer could build a fully working marketplace? One with a paid premium feature, real-time chat, payment processing, referrals, even a mobile install. This is MarketCity, live at MarketCity.org. And every piece of it was built on NonBios.ai. Quick context first. MarketCity is a full local marketplace. Listings, search, profiles, the whole thing. Now here's the part most people don't expect. Head to the dashboard and you'll see something called MGA, MarketCity Generator Advertiser. It's a feature any seller can unlock. What it actually does, it lets you take any listing and push it beyond MarketCity. Generate a shareable WhatsApp link, advertise it anywhere you want, get direct contact from buyers. One-time payment, lifetime access, paid through PayPal. So that's a full unlockable feature with payment processing built in, shipped by one non-engineer on NonBios. Now chat. Because a marketplace only works if buyers and sellers can actually talk to each other. Open any listing and you'll see a contact seller panel, verified email, phone number, a send message button, even a WhatsApp option. Click send message, type something quick, hit send. Then jump over to the chat tab, and you're in a proper messenger. Conversations on the left, the open thread on the right. Exactly what you'd expect from any modern chat app. Real, persistent, listing-aware messaging built on NonBios. And there's plenty more around it. Live listings on the homepage, pulling from a real backend. A search engine with category, price, location, and delivery filters, pulling back over 80 listings. The whole UI runs in 5 languages: English, Dutch, German, French, Spanish. There's even a referral program with its own wallet. All inside one NonBios build. And it goes wherever sellers go. From the homepage, MarketCity installs on a phone in one tap, as a progressive web app, or as a downloadable Android APK. Same listings, same chat, same MGA. Just sized for mobile. So, a marketplace, a paid feature unlock, real-time chat, multilingual UI, referrals, a wallet, mobile install. The kind of thing a whole engineering team usually ships. Here, one non-engineer built all of it on NonBios.ai. If you want to talk to the builder directly, join the NonBios Discord, links on screen.